canola. Come on. Come on. What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, okay.